You ever wonder what it really takes to run 3 YouTube channels from a single laptop? Not a studio, not a team, just you, a latte, and a machine that never sleeps. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, but not the kind you see in sci-fi movies. This is the story of a guy named Dave, who woke up one morning with nothing but debt. Dave had $2 in his pocket and a dream that felt like a cruel joke. He walked past a coffee shop, and something clicked inside his brain. He bought the cheapest coffee, sat in the corner, and opened his laptop. But here's the twist. He didn't write a single word himself. He just whispered a few commands, and a chatbot started vomiting out scripts. Sounds like cheating, right? Like he was cutting every corner possible. But wait, because this story gets wilder than a roller coaster at midnight. Dave didn't have a microphone, so he used a voice clone that sounded like a pro. He didn't have a camera, so he fed an AI some photos, and it animated them. Within 3 hours, he had a full video ready, from scratch, no human errors. He uploaded it to channel number 1, about ancient civilizations and lost secrets. Then he opened another tab and started channel 2, all about cooking without fire. The AI wrote the recipe, narrated it, even designed the plate perfectly. Channel 3? Oh, that was the crazy one. Deep philosophical rants about aliens. All 3 channels uploaded simultaneously, like clockwork, without a single pause. Dave leaned back in his chair, sipped his coffee, and watched the views climb. First hour, 12 views total. Not impressive, but he wasn't sweating it. Second hour, 300 views. The algorithm started sniffing out his content. By midnight, one of his videos hit 50,000 views. Dave almost choked. But here comes the nightmare, the part they don't tell you in those online courses. YouTube's automated system flagged his voice clone and demonetized his channel. Dave felt his stomach drop like he was falling from a skyscraper. All that work, all that clever hacking, gone because of one robot's verdict. He had a choice: give up or outsmart the system that was choking him. So Dave did something insane. He started mixing his own voice with the AI. He recorded just 10 seconds of himself saying random words, then fed it to the bot. The AI learned his tone, his pauses, his little laughs, and made it seamless. He also changed his thumbnails from stock images to hand-drawn sketches. The algorithm loved it. Human touch plus machine speed equals viral magic. Within a week, his ancient history video crossed 1 million views. His cooking channel got picked up by a famous chef who shared it online. And the Alien Rant channel? It became a cult favorite among late-night scrollers. Dave was making $4,000 a month just from that coffee shop table. But he never bought a house, never got a car. He kept sitting in that same chair. Why? Because he realized the real magic wasn't the money. It was the fact that a broke, ordinary guy could beat a billion-dollar system. With nothing but a laptop and a few lines of code whispered to a machine. Now people call him a genius, a hacker, a cheater. He doesn't care. He just orders another latte, opens his tabs, and lets the future unfold. So next time you see a viral video, ask yourself, who's really behind it? A human with a dream or a machine with a purpose? Dave told me once, the secret is not working harder, it's working smarter. And smarter means letting the robot do the boring stuff while you think. That's the revolution nobody talks about, the quiet war inside a coffee shop. You can join it right now with a single thought and a single click. Or you can keep scrolling and pretending this isn't already your reality. The choice is yours, but remember, Dave started with $2. What do you have in your pocket right now, and what are you going to do with it? Thanks for watching. If you felt even a spark of this story, hit that like and subscribe, because tomorrow I'm dropping a guide on how to clone your voice. No, seriously. Dave taught me everything, and now I'm passing it to you.